Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 20.5-inch IPS touchscreen special for Audi Q7 25 to 2015 years. Okay, you can check this screen head unit and you can check on back. It's past C and Roche Q7 MMI 2G 25 to 29 years. Also we have 2010 to 2015 years head unit. This is cheap 662 RAM 6 and ROM 128 GB and high resolution. This is power connection. This is power, and this is kit for install. And this connection is for USB and the other cable. You can check there 4G SIM card slot and TF SD card slot on back. Slot. Okay. You can check this LVDS. It's a LVDS connection. Okay. And it's LAN cable for USB. There are two USB cable. Also support USB hub. You can check LAN cable to USB connection. Okay, this is for microphone, external microphone. Head unit already built in the microphone. This is LVDS 12 wire. Okay, and this connection connects this male connector on back of head unit. Okay, this comes with small speaker, and this filter fuse box, and then you can check this plug. For original connector. Okay, and this and you can check this AUX input left and right RCA tab, and this camera input, this AC 12 voltage, and this camera 12 voltage, this video input. Okay, you can connect this connection on back of head unit. Okay, connected. Let me disconnect. Okay, it's come with 4G antenna and GPS antenna. This GPS antenna, GPS, and this 4G. Okay, you can check this GPS antenna. Come with head unit together, GPS, and this 4G antenna. This 4G antenna. This is AUX port. This AUX cable. AUX cable. Okay. And this is fiber optic cable for AUX interface for Audi, MM2G AUX, you can check, and it's for A6 and Q7. Okay, and this fiber optic connector. Okay, it comes with the install part. This install part and install screw. This screws. Okay, and comes this feed dash kit. Okay, you can check on back and the front. Okay. This original connector connects this position. Okay. Okay, let me power head unit. Connect on power and back. Okay, you can check this has blue touch screen. Okay. Okay, head unit starting. Waves are here. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, all apps are here. Let me check the settings. Find the settings. Check the system info. You can check It's RAM 6 GB and 128 GB. Android system. Android 11 system. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.